Dear students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we will discuss some topics in chemistry of 9th standard. Let us start with the first chapter, structure of atoms. All of you know that there are different materials and substances around us like air, water or chalk or pen, etc. All these materials are made up of matter. What is matter then? Matter is anything which possesses a definite mass and occupy space. And this matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. What are molecules then? Molecules are the smallest particles from which a matter is made up of. For example, take a sugar crystal. Sugar crystal can be divided into smaller and smaller and smaller particles, and we will get the tiny particle called molecule of sugar. This molecule is also have same characteristics as that of sugar, means the sweet taste. Okay. So again we can define the molecule as the smallest particle from which the matter is made up of, which have all the identical characteristics of that substance or matter. The molecules are again can be divided into small particles. They are made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are the tiny particle from which a molecule is made up of. In 1807, John Dalton proposed the term atom. Atom means indivisible. He thought that atom cannot be divided again. From his experiments and observation, he concluded many statements. These statements together known as Dalton's atomic theory. We will see these statements one after the other. The first postulate is matter is made up of atoms. All the matter is made up of atoms. Second postulate is atoms cannot be divided, or during a chemical reactions atoms cannot be divided into subatomic particles. Third one is atoms of same elements are identical. You know different type of elements like hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. The atoms of hydrogen are identical. They are one atom of hydrogen, second atom of hydrogen, all are identical, means they are identical in their properties like size, shape or mass, etc. Fourth one is atoms of different elements are different. For example, the atom of hydrogen, the mass of atom of hydrogen will not be equal to the mass of atom of oxygen. So their properties will be different. Atoms of different elements will be different. And the fifth one is atoms are the smallest particles that participate in a chemical reaction. Subatomic particles or the particles obtained from division of atoms cannot be participate in a chemical reaction. Atoms are the smallest particles that participate in a chemical reaction. The last one is atom, two or more than atom combine in a smallest ratio to form compounds. You know an example of compound, that is water. What is the formula of water? H2O, where two hydrogen atom combine with one oxygen atom to form H2O molecule. So the atom of hydrogen and oxygen are in a smallest ratio 2:1. So these are the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Together they are known as Dalton's atomic theory. At the time of Dalton, he thought that atom cannot be divided again. That's why he called that particle as atom, which is indivisible. But later the experiments from the findings of scientists discovered that atom can also be divided into smaller particles. Now we will see the history behind the discovery of subatomic particles. Okay, starting from Humphrey Davy. Humphrey Davy discovered that there are two types of charges, electric charges present in substances, positive charge and negative charge. Later, Michael Faraday. Who is Michael Faraday? He is the father of electricity. He discovered that when electricity passes through liquid, it will separate it to its components. That process is called electrolysis. For example, when current is passing through water, it will decompose into hydrogen and oxygen. Then Giesler discovered that the electricity can pass through gases, not only through liquid, electricity can pass through gases also. Then later Plucker, who discovered that electric charges are present in rays which are coming from electrodes. There are two types of electrodes, cathode and anode. Cathode and anode or electrode means a material which can conduct electricity to gases or liquids. So there are two types of electrode, cathode and anode. Cathode is one with negative charge and anode is one with positive charge. And the rays coming from cathode is called cathode ray. That is discovered by Plucker. Then comes William Crookes. William Crookes conducted an experiment called cathode ray experiment. From that he discovered that atoms can be divided. Then lastly Goldstein. Goldstein discovered anode ray. Anodes can also emit light, that is called anode ray. In 1891, J.J. Thomson discovered the first subatomic particle called electrons. J.J. Thomson conducted the cathode ray experiment. He allowed to pass electricity through gases in an electric discharge tube. And he discovered that, from his observation, he discovered that these particles present in cathode ray are negatively charged. Then he repeated the same experiment with different gases. In all the cases, he discovered that the same type of particles are present in cathode ray. He called them as electrons. So in 1891, electrons are discovered by J.J. Thomson. So this is the first subatomic particle discovered. J.J. Thomson discovered that these particles are present in the atom and they have very less mass. Okay, hope all of you understand this section. We will continue again. Thank you all.